Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine. So guys, in today's video I will teach you how you can create a t-shirt design in Canva and sell this skill on Fiverr. This is a very good skill to sell on Fiverr. You can also start your own print on demand business by learning this skill. You can also create beautiful t-shirt design and sell these designs on different print on demand website. So first of all we will go to Fiverr and let's check the demand of this skill. So I am going to Fiverr and I write here t-shirt design. So there are 23,781 services available, means that there are 23,781 freelancers are providing this service. So let's analyze one of the gig. So I will make custom and trendy t-shirt design. So I this is a level 2 seller and I open his gig link on next tab, and you can see he got 1k plus reviews and its start package is from $10. So if let's assume all clients purchase only $10 package, then he made 10,000 plus dollars from only this gig. So I open this gig in next window and let's start in basic package. One concept, one design concept with PNG, 300 DPI and a mockup file. After that, in standard package he charged $35 and three concept, three design, and in premium package he charged $55 and five concept. So this is a very easy skills to learn, and you can analyze his gig and let's find an idea for your gig. So that's it for the Fiverr part. You can also check and other services and other gigs, so you can easily get an idea. So let's get started on Canva and learn how to create a beautiful t-shirt design. So in Canva I write in search bar t-shirt design. Sorry, t-shirt. I click on the t-shirt and it provides me different t-shirt designs. I can also customize these designs, but I would like to create a design from scratch. So you can see there are very beautiful designs. So I click on create a blank t-shirt design. I want to create a design on Mother's Day. So let's design a t-shirt for Mother's Day. It is loading. Wait for some seconds. So it is loaded. First of all, I would like to go to elements and I search here mom. So I click on graphics. If you don't know what is this left bar and top bar, so you can watch my previous videos in which I completely teach you how you can use this left sidebar panel and this top bar panel. So go for these videos, and after that I want to select element. So I like this one. This is a very good design. So after that I want to create a text in which I write Happy Mother's Day. I want to change the text in italic. That's look good. I want to change color of the background. Yeah, that's nice. So so the design is done. So that's it for today. I hope you like this design, and you can practice more and create your own designs. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family, and I will meet you in the next video.